Afternoon, everybody. It is 2:35 p.m. on Tuesday, the 26th, and I just wanted to give you an update on the silver trade. We sold the options, made 33%, and the chart on the screen shows you the why of it. First of all, the options were expiring tomorrow because there is no market on Friday. So the options either trade tomorrow's expo, which is what we were in, or Thursday's. Um, but as you can see, we clearly broke to the downside on this big after this big reversal day, and in fact, that's the day that we got into the trade. And actually, I think, yep, that's the day we got into the trade. And I think that I was very surprised when we got back to 27. But look at this. I'm going to bring it out a little, show you. This $26 area has just been brutal. Let me go to the weekly just so that you can get a better idea on the longer term. Okay, let's go out 4 years. Okay, so here we got up to $30. Same thing here, only 29 here. And then we don't have any closes above 26, period. There are none uh, since 2022, actually later in 2021. So I was concerned about it. As you know, I've been a very big bull on silver, especially physical silver, which I still continue to buy. But, I'm a realist and I'm a chartist, and the highest close that I saw here was 25.93, and that was up on a 70-cent week. This one was 25.85. So we were in that area again today and earlier in the week. So let's go back to the daily. And we also hit, after this break, we also hit the 20-day moving average, this blue line. As you can see, we're rolling over in the 5, and I assume that will cross over. The MACD had already crossed over, and this is when we were actually looking at it just prior to that break. So we sold these. As I said, we made 33%. If we were to get, my optimum point would be about 25.05 to reinitiate the position. And I think, that we may see a little sideways action in the next couple of days. And if we get a hot number on PCE, which is something that most of the economic numbers have been hot, and we get a little bit of a jump in interest rates, that has been the biggest deterrent to all of the metals, except copper, since hotter numbers for the economy turns into good news for copper. So we're out of the trade. This is why we're out. This is where I want to get back in. And we could easily go sideways in here for a while before breaking to the downside. Have a good afternoon.